Hello everybody, my name is Alexey Lensky and this is my loops video, and today I'm gonna discuss loops which we use for our methods. And I used three particular picture methods, and the loops I used in them are for loop, while loop, and a nested for loops. So for three different methods I used three different loops. So I'm starting from the basic subtract color method, and I used a for loop in there. So at first we declare an array, pixel array, and say that our pixels are within that array, and our array is a pixel array. So our pixel object, which we will change eventually, is located within our array. And we see our for loop here, and a statement within braces after that says that for each pixel within our array, this method will be executed. So yeah, it's basic loop which says that for every pixel within array or something, this particular method will be executed. The second method I used was a grayscale method, and I used a while loop in there. So again, we declare an array and a pixel array, and as you see, we have some differences. For example, our index, we declare starting point, starting index of our pixel, because as we all know, our array is consists of pixels, and each pixel has its own index, and in each array everything starts from 0, and our first index is 0 too. So, and we have our while loop here, and the statement within braces says that while our index of our pixel is less than the index of our last pixel in the array, uh, the code will be executed. I mean, method will be executed. And the statement means it will repeat until everything will be true. And the last method called mirror horizontal, which as we can learn from the name, will create a mirror point and mirror our picture. So for this method, as you see, we don't declare array because we don't need it. Uh, so we just create top pixel and bottom pixel here, and the mirror point, which is uh, in the middle of our height, which we also declared in the beginning. Uh, so we have a nested loops here. It's two for loops, but it's a little bit complicated because it's different from our just one for loop, because it looks through all pixels starting from the first pixel, and as we see, it goes in columns. So it checks one column, then if everything is true in the first column, it goes to the second, because our computer usually reads for loops, nested for loops, from inner loop, and then it goes to outer loop. Yeah, this is called inner loop, and this is called outer loop. And in our inner loop, we firstly look at our y points, which is a height of a picture, and it looks through all pixels from the zero to from the top to a bottom, and in here it goes to just to a mirror point. Uh, and again, so it says that our integer y equals to 0, so it's top of our picture, and until our y index of our y pixel is less than the index of our mirror point pixel, the code will be executed. And the same thing for this, but it's for x values and a pixel in a lane, not in a column. So, and it says until it gets to the end of our picture, this code will be executed. And here we have a formula and the code of our picture. So let's compile everything we just discussed and look at the result. Oh yeah, as you see, I didn't put new pictures for each method, so everything just combined, and we have 4 pictures of uh, overlaid methods. So we have original picture, picture with subtract color and grayscale, and picture with all 3 methods. So thank you for watching. Write your reviews, and I will be interested in your feedback.